Right, let's get into it. You're here because you want that A star, but the old way of revising just isn't cutting it anymore. The Cambridge pathway is tough, but today we're pivoting. We're moving away from just reading and moving towards engineering your success with the right tech.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational insights, and don't forget to press the like button.
Now, let's talk about a massive mistake I see thousands of students making. You finish a tricky business or physics past paper, and you copy-paste your answer into generic ChatGPT asking, "Is this any good?" or "Can you grade this?" Stop. Just stop. Generic AI wasn't built for IGCSE boundaries, and asking basic questions like that is actually setting you up for exam failure. Look at this. You can have all the textbooks in the world, but if you're using standard AI the wrong way, you're essentially guessing your marks. The brutal reality is that generic AI doesn't know the difference between a standard good answer and a true Cambridge standard response. Base models reward wordy explanations, whereas Cambridge examiners demand precision, command word accuracy, and specific mark scheme terminology. If you want to secure those top grades, you need a better plan. Why does base AI fail you? 3 reasons. Context blindness. It gives you broad internet definitions that don't earn marks. Mark allocation ignorance. It can't tell if you've done enough for a 6-marker. And most importantly, it doesn't understand assessment objectives, your AO1, AO2, and AO3. Generic models reward wordiness. Cambridge examiners reward precision. When an examiner looks at your paper, they are looking for specific indicators. They want to see that knowledge, that application, and that analysis. If your AI isn't looking for these exact metrics, it's giving you false confidence. Let's talk about the command word gap. Standard AI fails Cambridge exams because it treats every question like an essay prompt. If a question says state, you just need a quick, direct answer. Generic AI writes a novel, wasting your exam time. For explain, you need a tight, logical chain of cause and effect. For discuss or evaluate, you must show a balanced, two-sided argument with a final conclusion. If your AI coach doesn't grade by these exact words, it's not preparing you. So, here is the 2027 pivot. We are going to transform standard AI models into strict, merciless Cambridge examiners. The goal, to pinpoint exactly where you dropped marks, uncover the specific phrasing you missed from examiner reports, and finally, stop guessing what grade you're on. First up, the giants. PapaCambridge AI is a game changer because it's integrated directly into the world's largest past paper archive. Then there's aiexaminer.co.uk. This tool is brilliant. It gives you a side-by-side view and turns those dry, bulleted mark schemes into perfect top-tier model answers instantly. We're moving beyond just ChatGPT. The new ecosystem includes NeuraGeek, IGCSEMate, and Tuity. These aren't just chatbots. They are platforms engineered specifically for Cambridge syllabus paths and those all-important grade boundaries. NeuraGeek is a favorite for a reason. It speaks fluent subject codes, 0625 physics, 0455 economics, you name it. It does line-by-line script assessment. You can scan your handwritten work and it will highlight the exact sentence where you lost the mark. It's like having a senior examiner sitting next to you. Then we have IGCSEMate. This is your targeted revision engine. It generates infinite exam-style questions based on your weakest chapters. Whether it's biology, computer science, or additional math, It keeps you aligned with the very latest specifications, so you never waste a second of revision time. Tuity is another heavy hitter. It focuses on making learning fast and focused. Their context-aware flashcards move away from those useless dictionary definitions and focus on what actually scores marks in an IGCSE paper. It covers the core sciences, maths and English. No premium budget? No problem. You can force the free versions of Claude or Gemini to act like premium tutors using system prompt engineering. It's a simple 3-step calibration. Download the official mark scheme PDF, upload it, and then paste our master prompt. Here is the prompt. Feel free to screenshot this. You're telling the AI, act as a strict senior examiner. You're forcing it to award marks based on command words like discuss or explain. This forces the AI to stop being nice and start being accurate. When the AI replies, look for 3 things: the grade drop alert, where you missed phrasing; the command word correction, did you define when you should have evaluated; and finally, the exemplar model, a rewrite of your answer, showing you how to hit full marks. A huge warning here: the coursework trap. Cambridge regulations are very strict. AI must never be the author of your work. Use it as a tutor to test your recall and grade your mocks, but never let it write your assignments. Disqualification is a real risk, so keep it safe. Finally, use AI as an exam room proctor. Feed it a subpart of a paper, set a countdown timer, and let the AI assess your pacing. It's not just about being right, it's about being right on time. Standard ChatGPT will lie to you. It'll say, great job, 9/10, because generic AI is a polite cheerleader that doesn't know KE mark schemes. But in examiner mode, the gloves come off. It maps directly to assessment objectives. It won't give you a pity mark for a wordy paragraph if you missed the specific command word. This is the difference between walking into your exam with false confidence and knowing the exact blueprint of how you'll be graded. Revise smarter. If you found this guide helpful, do consider subscribing to the channel. We drop clear, practical guidance like this every week to help you, your teachers, and your parents navigate the IGCSE journey. Stay curious, ask questions early, and I'll see you in the next one.